Hello friends, my name is Suraj and you're watching Dive into Tech. So I'm again back with my another video, and in this video I'm going to show you what is if else statement in JavaScript, or we can say what exactly is if else, what does it do, and what are its usages. I'll teach you in this video, so stay updated. And guys, if you haven't watched my recent question, I've just uploaded a question and in which there is a string plus integer number and what is the output. You can watch that. I'll give the link in the description. You can watch that. So let's start with the video. First of all, I'll remove this. Now I'll write here, uh, okay, where a is equal to, let me say 10, and where b is equal to 20. Now we can compare, and we compare using the if symbol. If a is equal to b, then we can write document dot write, we can give the output, yes, these are same. Let's see if this works. Where's my bar? Here it is. Let's check what is the problem. You can see that these are not same. That is, a is not equal to b. So how does this will print? Okay, so let me tell you one more thing, that this equal to and these are two different things. Okay, don't go up on the spelling. This single equal and these double equal are two different things. Why? Because this single equal to is assignment. We can assign through it that a is equal to 20. Like here, variable a has got the value of 10. That is, we have assigned 10 to a. So this is what single equal to does. And this double equal to, this one is used to compare things. That if you can see here, that if a is double equal to b, that is, if a is similar to b, then we'll print the output, or else we won't print. So let's modify something. I'll put value of a also to 20. So let me save it and refresh. Yeah, you can see that the output has come. These are same. So this is what if statement does. So now let's continue to the else part. I'll change this value to 10 again. We'll use else here. Else. Now document dot write, these are not same. Let me save it and print. Okay, I think it has got cache values. I need to open incognito tab. Wait a second, I need to open it once again. Oh, sorry, I haven't saved it. So you can see the small errors. Now let me refresh it again. So you can see that here is the output. These are not same. So this is how if and else statement works, because if a is equal to b and you can see that a is not equal to b, then it will go to the else part, and if this is not verified, then it will go to the else part and the output will be this. So let me try something else. We can use some other things, like we can use this is not equal to, then we can also use, okay, let me print here. Then here we can use less than equal to, or greater than equal to, or greater than, less than, not equal to, and there are so many other types of checking methods, or we can say that different types of comparing operators which we can use. So let me try something of that. Let me see if a is not equal to b. Let me save it and print. So you can see that yes, a is not equal to b, so the output is yes, they are same. Okay, I'll be changing this text, and let me change it to yes, a is not equal to b. Okay, so you can see that this is what if statement does, and this is what an else statement does. You can use anything. You can use a is less than. I'll refresh it again. Yes, it is not equal to b because this one is less than. We can also use greater than. So now output should be this, because a is not greater than b. A's value is 10 and b is 20, so the output should be b. Let me refresh it. Yeah, they are not same. So this is how this is what if and statement does. So I'll be uploading my next video in some days. Stay updated, and my next video will be about a string question, and that question will be, what is this minus 1 in JavaScript? I want you all to wait for my question, and this will be my next question. I want you first to see the answer. Sorry, I want you first to write the answer in comments, then you can go for the question. Okay? So thank you guys. Stay updated and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.